How are you? It's a long time I don't see you guys. I was a little busy, but the important thing is I'm back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make, learn how to make spaghetti with pesto sauce. You put a little bit of olive oil, botticelli. To me it's the best. Look, it's beautiful. Then, that way I say always, don't chop the garlic, smash it. Look, smash. And you put it right in the pot. More you put, the more you taste it. Okay? And we go like this with the hands. Don't worry about it. I wash my hands. Then you chop it up a little basil. Not too much. You don't want to. Then, a few minutes ago, I gave you some shrimp. What do? You chop it up. They really cook. Look. 1, 2, 3. In the meantime, the garlic and oil will go nice and brown. Look. What do? You get a pesto. Usually I make the pesto, but today I know I have no time. Which means I bought it. Look. Put it out. Then I have some spaghetti ready to go. In the meantime, I need a little energy. You know, cold is better. Dino. Ooh. If you drink a Dino, you can cook for 100 people, not even 1 hour. Look at that. The pasta is ready, pre-cooked. What do? You put it in. Not too much, because then who's gonna eat it? Right? Need a little cheese, Parmigiano, pecorino, whatever you like it. Usually I put a pecorino. I like pecorino. I don't like Parmesan. There we go. A little bit. And this is the last touch. Hey, Bena, what are you doing here?
Ah, ciao, Ida, look aside.
Oh, Maron, what are you doing here? You come by?
That was delicious.
Yeah, do me a favor, give me a dish. Now you here, do something.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, no problem.
No, Maron. Get a beautiful dish because it's gonna look good. It's gotta go really, really, really good. You hungry, thirsty?
Yes.
Here, have a Dino. Keep you up a little bit. You look like you sleep all the time. Look. What is it? Look at that. Oh. Oh, it's a lot.
Wow, so good.
Ooh. There we go. This is the dish. A little basil on top. Move that thing, man. A little bit of that. And voila!
Wow, delicious.
Buon appetito! Ciao!
Dino Luzzi energy drink. Yeah, it's that good.